Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can redeem PlayStation Store gift card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for PlayStation Store gift card. After that, open the official website located at the top and you can see that there are some instructions present. So, in order to redeem a gift card, follow these steps. First, go to PlayStation Store and select your profile at the top of the screen. Now select Redeem Code from the drop-down menu. Carefully enter the 12-digit code and select Continue. The credit or content is now applied to your account. And that's how you can redeem PlayStation Store gift card. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.